Today we're going to talk about shaft flex in the driver. I see a lot of people with beautiful swings that have the wrong flex in their driver, which results in a big banana shot to high and right. If you look at this club right here, this says stiff flex. Now, a stiff flex should be a stiff shaft, but when you press on this, you'll see that it's got a lot of flex to it. So it's not true to its flex. When your hands get to the golf ball and the head trails, it comes through open, thus giving you that big banana. When we build clubs, we use the better shafts and the Harrison graphite shafts. These are pro-line shafts, and they are hand tested to ensure that they're the right flex. So when I press down on this shaft, it is nice and stiff. What happens is when my hands get to the ball now, the club head's there at the same time, thus resulting in a shot that goes straight and is accurate and longer. We start finding the fairways. This game's a lot of fun.